Hi there. Today I'm doing a bike check on my Giant Fathom. It is a very nice hardtail for how much it costs, and you can upgrade this thing really easily. So up front I have a RockShox Lyric, very smooth. Then over here we have Magura MT8 brakes. These things really nice. I have a SRAM GX 12 speed group set with a Dior cassette because it has a micro spline hub, but it works fine. I know that will trigger some people, but I don't care. Over here I have my favorite clipless pedals, my Shimano DXR BMX pedals, but they feel just like the XTs in my opinion. I have a Trans-X dropper post. It moves the seat up and down. It's all really the dropper post has to do. And yeah, it's a great bike. It rips. Yeah, there it is.